Have you ever had an idea that you didn't pursue because you felt like you weren't equipped to make it happen? Many people have an idea about a career they would like to pursue, or a business they would like to have, but never attempt to fulfill their dream. Why is that? As kids, we're taught the basics, but do you remember being equipped with the tools to develop your talents into a career, face life's challenges, or transform a dream into reality? That's where the Kingdom Code comes in. The Kingdom Code is a fun, hands-on program designed to equip kids and young teens with the skills they need to successfully manage money, develop their talents, overcome adversity, and bring their dreams to life. 27 unique and thought-provoking lessons come to life through the use of a dynamic textbook, accompanied by activities, worksheets, flashcards, and other engaging materials. In the program, students quickly acquire money skills by starting a business of their own and experiencing the joys and challenges of becoming kid entrepreneurs. Through real-life experience, they learn to communicate with customers, market a business, keep a ledger, solve problems, and even learn to stretch their dollars by becoming better buyers. We believe that before kids complete middle school, they should be grounded with these skill sets so they're prepared to make educated money decisions. Unfortunately, many high school students graduate without the basic knowledge of money, like how to save, spend, or manage their bank accounts. The Kingdom Code changes that. Kingdom Code kids are taught early how to be incredible stewards of money. They learn how to keep more of their money by making do with what they have, how to avoid impulse buying, and even how to identify emotional appeal in advertisements. Kids are also taught the KCK budget, a personal budget that encourages kids to divide their income into 5 parts: tithing, blessing others, future education, personal spending, and savings. This budget is easily modified and can be adjusted as students get older. So why is it imperative to give kids a solid financial foundation when they're young? It is proven that many skills are easier to adopt at an early age. Think about learning a language. Is it easier to develop speech patterns when we're young or later in life? The Kingdom Code starts teaching valuable money skills while kids are young, so good habits are formed and practiced throughout their lives. We're often asked, does the Kingdom Code just teach kids entrepreneurship and personal finance? The answer to that question is no. The Kingdom Code is so much more. Kingdom Code kids refer to their businesses as treasure builders, but quickly learn that the true treasure being built does not lie in the money they earn, but rather in the character traits and life lessons they're gaining along the way. At the heart of each lesson is a code of honor that reveals a unique character code. These powerful character codes become the tools stored in every student's treasure chest to use when needed to overcome life's challenges and achieve their goals. An underlying theme of being knights on a quest is built into the course. As knights, students discover key life skills like time management, keeping appointments, staying organized, and learning from mentors. Highlighted in the lessons are examples of historical and successful figures such as John Deere, Helen Keller, Henry Hines, Anne Sullivan, Thomas Edison, and Joan of Arc, whose exciting stories inspire students to become achievers. In addition are encouraging letters from Aunt Jimmy, the author of the Kingdom Code, who shares her personal stories of overcoming obstacles to achieve success in life and business. Some people wonder if they're qualified to deliver the contents of the Kingdom Code program. We often receive questions like, how can I teach my kids about money when I was never taught money skills? While others admit, I'm not a teacher and have never started a business, so how can I teach my children to be entrepreneurs when I don't have any experience? We've got you covered. Our easy-to-follow teacher's guide was designed just for you. This simple guide does the heavy lifting for you, With no prior experience, you can successfully teach this course and adapt it to your own schedule. Why should you consider investing your time and money to put your kids through our program? In Proverbs 22, verse 6, the Bible tells us, "Start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn from it." Teaching kids about their self-worth, money, and how to develop their talents when they're young gives them a foundation for future success in any field of their choosing. We look forward to hearing your children's success stories as they fulfill their own unique purpose and pursue their dreams. Join us in our quest to empower the next generation with the Kingdom Code.